Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I want to walk around and show you this 14 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's got 152,000 miles on it. It's got 11-foot service body, a HC7 auto crane, van air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. Truck's got all the emissions in place on it if you're in a state that requires that, so it's all stock. It's a one-owner truck, come out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Walk around and show it to you. $152, $228 on the mileage. Let's see what the hours was on this truck. Yeah, pretty low hours too. Relatively low. Yeah. 3,200 idle, 3,200 drive. It's not bad on a truck like this. One thing I do want to point out is this tool cabinet here. This is broke, and these two down here are missing. I mean, obviously you can pull it out. Just takes two hands. I'm sure whoever buys this truck can make something to work those things, fix them. I couldn't find replacements. So, and we're not a fab shop, so. Know that. It's a Van Air RC40 hydraulic air compressor. Kick that on in a minute. There's cold. Also got some dents right up here. Point out. Let's kick the PTO on. Run your RPMs up with a cruise on this truck. definitely building there. Crane remote. First, let me go outriggers. Down, out, down. Flip this to go crane. Up. Down, extension out, extension in, edge up, outriggers back in. On the other side. Can't complain, it's hot, but it's not near as hot as it's been being. So if you're interested in this truck, I'll tell you right now, don't wait. This thing will last probably a day or two, maybe not even a day. This is our best seller, a Dodge 4-wheel drive with a heavy duty body on it. They don't last long. So if you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to you. You're going to be looking around $1.75 to $2 a mile. It depends on where you're located. It could be more, it could be less. Also know that we're a dispatcher, so what I will do is post this truck on a dispatch board, and I wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to Oklahoma or California, wherever you're at. We want to pick it up. So I don't have somebody just sitting here waiting to snatch it up as soon as you pay for it. Like I said, normally you can have the truck in 3 to 7 days. But just keep in mind, excuse me, if you live somewhere like California, once the truck's picked up, it's going to take them 7 days to get to you. So if you're one of those guys, you got to know the exact second they're going to pick it up, the exact second they're going to deliver it, then you got to just come get it yourself, because I can't tell you that information. You're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check, cashier's check. Yeah, I guess that's about it. That's a 7,000 pound crane. I don't think I went over that. That's a 7,000 pound crane. I think 21 foot reach on it. I have to look up the specs, but I think that's correct. yeah, don't wait. This thing won't last long. That's it. Thanks for watching.